Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is April the 21st, 2023, and I was watering my Ranunculus corms here, and I was feeding them, and I noticed that there were a bunch of corms up top. And I was reading where it said before, when I had first started growing Ranunculus, that if your Ranunculus like where they're growing at, they will happily and readily multiply their corms. So you can see there's a bunch here, and there's a bunch back here on this one here. Hold on a minute here, let's see if we can find it. My hand's over here. You're fine.
Can't find it.
I just cut that one down.
If we can try to find it.
So, down in here, you can see there are more corms that are coming up to the surface. There you go.
Thanks.
These are the corms in here. And these are definitely multiplying. So they do like where they're growing at. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some dry potting mix here. And I'm just going to sprinkle some of this over these corms to get them covered, because I don't want the sun to damage them. So I'm just kind of putting a little bit, and this is a Miracle-Gro potting mix, and this is the all-purpose Miracle-Gro potting mix. Put a little bit more here. And that's going to protect my corms from getting damaged from the light, from the sunlight. So what I'm going to do next is, set this back here, I'm going to grab my watering can here. This has some food in it. I'm using the Algo Plus, the flowering plants, and I was using the all-purpose 666 that they have to feed these, but I ran out of that, and these are blooming, so I want to, you know, go ahead and make sure I support those blooms. Put a little bit more over top of this. Put some more water here. You do want to be careful how much you water your Ranunculuses. So what I've been using is I've been checking mine with a moisture meter. And when it says about 3 or lower, I go ahead and give them some water. So I stick it in the soil. Here, I had already tested this one here. And it went to the, it was on the 2. So I'm going to give this one here some water. We temporarily turned the fan off so we could do the video here. But your biggest thing with these is that you don't overwater them so you don't rot your corms. These here were a little overwatered at one point, and it got really warm. We've been getting 80-degree temperatures, and this is a cooler greenhouse. It has the white plastic over it, so that is helping some, but they got a little warm. Okay, there we go. So I'm just going to make sure that all the corms are nice and covered here. And you can see there's one spot that just wants to keep coming up to the top. There we go. There we go. And I'll finish taking care of that. Then I have to be careful how much I water them, because I did just water and feed this. That's actually how I seen these. So Ranunculuses are beautiful. They're gorgeous. That there is a matchy mix there. These here are the Avies. You can see these gorgeous flowers. I love Ranunculus. And we did just do a bunch of harvesting out of here, so there's not too many blooms left in here. Well, you can see we have there's some oranges coming, and we have some yellows, some pretty pinks. My purples and the Picardi oranges, they're just starting to come up. They're going to be later, so I'm hoping that we can, you know, hold them, and hoping that they do well for me. I know they say like the Ranunculuses don't like to get too warm, but I'm hoping, because I had to plant them anyway, and kind of got later in the season than what I wanted it to. So I just wanted to share this with you here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.